I really like studying the Bachelor of Business degree at AUT because the teachers, like the lecturers, they're amazing. They're super supportive.
So when I walk into a classroom, I get a sense of who my students are. I know your name. I know what's been happening in your family, just a little bit. I know what your career goals are. And because of that, because I also have connections with industry, when I hear of something, I can point it out to them.
If you need the support, they are there to support you through your studies, and the people that you meet are so great that they will interact with you in class. So you're not just going in to learn content, you're also making connections.
Being able to have that one-on-one experience where you walk into a classroom, the lecturer, the teacher, the TA, they all know you by name.
My one piece of advice for everyone that is thinking to study a Bachelor of Business at AUT is to don't be shy to ask for help. I think that's one thing that AUT is so good for. If you're struggling with something, don't be scared to email or Teams the lecturer. They are so helpful.
You make mistakes, that's fine. It's just university, you're still learning.
I have never seen a group of people that has been this invested in student success. So as part of that, I bring students back when they've graduated, and they come back and they mentor my current students. They help find them jobs. And it's this really virtuous circle of our really strongly relational bonds and community. And it's what to me makes AUT the place I want to be.